milliliters of water each. Add 4 drops of yellow color into the first cup and mix it well. Add 4 drops of red color into the second cup and mix it well. Add 1 drop of blue color into the third cup and mix it well. Pour the water from the 3 cups into the conical flask. The water in conical flask turned brown. Scientific explanation. Yellow, blue, and red are primary colors. When mixed, they form a composite color, which is brown. Thanks for watching.